Want to see someone systematically disprove everything you have read about trading stocks and expose how and why you will consistently lose money if you aren't doing it right? Click the link in the description to check it out for yourself. But now for today's video.
The question, what are some good trading strategies used for intraday in Indian markets? Answer by Anupam Thakur. I've answered a similar question. I usually trade in cash segment, swing trade, but in more than 40% of my trades I achieve my target price in same day. So I believe rules I follow are useful for day traders also. The universal rule for day trading is emotional discipline. All trades must be executed on technical analysis only. Here are some more rules I follow. Trade with trend. Trade setup must have potential in daily and weekly chart. For example, if daily chart is in downtrend or trend is situated near strong resistance, it is not a wise decision to place long order. In smaller time frame, bullish reversals are seen in regular interval and smaller time frame. These bullish reversals can draw your attention. These may give you a false signal. Trade with price action. You must spot strong support or resistance zone in bigger time frame. Suppose you trade in 5-minute time frame, but you should spot strong support and resistance on 30 meters, 1 hour chart. Have a look at related sector before placing order. Sometimes a particular sector goes against whole market. For example, on 21st September Nifty was in sideways zone. Consolidation. 19%. All other sectors were struggling, but pharma sector went high, like a rocket, plus 3.33% C. So if you've shortlisted a company, look at related sector before placing order. On 21st September market was going sideways, but pharma sector was dominating the market. So following above rules I traded in pharma sector and grabbed good profit in Cipla, 2.08%, Devilab, 1.43%. C. Let's take example of Cipla. In above weekly chart, I identified strong resistance zone, 591 to 609. See blue arrows in image. You can see trend has almost breached 50 days moving average. So this has potential to gain high. See my first point above trade with trend. I did a cross check in daily chart for above factors. See, in daily chart also price has breached 50-day moving average, so daily and weekly chart were showing green signal. Now I had to spot a good entry point, so I went to 10-minute time frame. You can see an above chart, price zone around 575 acted as a good support. Price took support from this zone and started rising, so I placed my order. See blue arrow in image. This step was based on price action. See second point at start of my answer. I set my target price around 590, which was previous high in the possible resistance. At 12:43 I achieved my target price. So this is how my rules are useful for day traders. Answer by Manji Fora. What is the best trading strategy? A good trading strategy based on a technical setup must have the following as inbuilt ingredients. 1. Technical indicators must be strong enough to weed out the market volatility. Market volatility is one thing, which can defeat best of the managers with best of the strategies if the technical indicators are not strong enough to withstand the volatile changes in the prices, whatever may be the time frame. 2 such strong indicators, on which I have developed my technical setup are Renko and Fibonacci. 2. Besides giving the buy, sell triggers, entry, stop loss and exit levels for trading in the stock market successfully, strategy must have an inbuilt system of controlling your emotions, fear and greed. This means, the technical indicators will guide you through the trade from first trigger to the close of the trade. 3. Will not allow you to take trades in haste based on your emotions. 4. It will provide you the predefined entry levels so that you enter a trade at the right time and levels. 5. It will provide you the predefined exit levels, so that your emotions will not force you to exit prematurely and thus lose the gains, which were in the trade. It will also not allow you to carry on the trade because of the greed. 6. It will ensure that your risk spread is wide enough and you control your finance and in particular the gains of the good trades. These are in short the characteristics of a good strategy based on a sound technical setup. Answer by Mudassir Hassan. There are many strategies a trader uses to profit from intraday trading. How to make a winning trading plan in just 11 steps. Investment tips, share market tips, trading tips. Also go through the blog. What is the purpose of investment in share market? Investment tips, share market tips, trading tips. You can also go through my answer. Mudassir Hassan's answer to how can I learn about investments in stock exchange?